A few months ago, my sister, who works as a nursing attendant, came back from work complaining of back pain. I found that really weird because she's 25, relatively young, and isn't someone that should be experiencing that kind of a problem at such a young age. Turns out, it was because they had been lifting patients all day. In fact, during a typical shift, nurses transfer between 5 to 10 patients from a wheelchair to a bed. As a result of this, they account for more than 60% of all work-related musculoskeletal disorders, which cost Canadian society more than $17.8 billion annually. So, we clearly have a problem here. When someone with reduced mobility needs to be moved, they have two options. Either ask a nurse or caregiver for assistance, which increases the risk of injury for both, or be forced to rely on current assisted solutions that are either awkward or slow or downright impractical to effectively address the problem. And that is why we've designed the CareChair, the first standalone system that can function both as a wheelchair and a bed. Sitting at 8 inches wider than a regular wheelchair, it is able to save valuable time by transforming automatically. This eliminates the need for caregiver assistance and, most importantly, increases the independence of the individual. What sets us apart is our innovative sliding-based mechanism, which is able to provide complete support when it is fully reclined. We are currently in the process of filing a provisional patent for this mechanism. The market for a device like this is expected to be greater than $14 billion by 2019. Largely driven by medical beds. There are 439 long-term care facilities and over 150 hospitals in Ontario alone, which will be our initial target market. As this is a Class 1 device, it requires no regulatory approval, which means we can immediately begin beta testing once the prototype is ready. We have spoken to hospitals and doctors, and they are eager to try our product. To tackle this problem, we've assembled a team of 4 graduating mechatronics engineers. Our mechanical lead has experience designing surgical robotics tools, and we have worked at companies like Apple, Google, and Facebook. We are the right team to tackle this problem. In addition, we have 3 advisors on board. Peter Hughes, who is advising us on mechanical design, Professor El Sidani, who is advising us on electrical design, and Professor Jean Hughes, who is the overall project advisor. Over the past 6 months, we have been busy developing our first prototype that can handle a person of up to 250 pounds. Through the support of Velocity's microfunding, we have been able to build and test our product. And as you can see above, we are well on our way. Our next step is to partner with wheelchair manufacturers to bring the CareChair to market. To us, the CareChair isn't simply a product or mechanism. It is a means of giving people with reduced mobility their independence back, improving their quality of life, and ultimately transforming their lives. Thank you. One more thing. The CareChair is right over here, and our prototype is ready.